Uh, I begin everyone. I am Ranisha Mistry. I welcome you all in today's webinar on advanced plastic piping solution for water supply and drainage on behalf of Parul University. Our today's speaker is Mr. Rohit Joshi. He is currently working as an executive engineer in innovation and technology in Supreme Industries Limited, one of the leading companies in the field of water supply and sanitary fitting and fixtures. He has completed his BTech from R.C. Patel Engineering College, Shirpur. He has completed MTech from Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. Sir has worked as an assistant professor in Engineering College of Nasik for 3.5 years. He has been working with Supreme Industries Limited for 4.5 years. I welcome you, sir, and now I request you to start this session. So you can
Yes,
start
okay.
now.
Thank you, madam. Yes. We are
Welcome, sir.
starting now. Good afternoon, everyone. Our today's webinar topic is advanced plastic piping solution for water supply and drainage. This seminar is specially I have designed for civil engineering final year students, and this is I have named it with steps towards the advancement in plastic plumbing solutions. So before starting, I want to introduce myself. I am Rohit Joshi. I am from Supreme Industries Limited, and here with you to share some of my knowledge, which is I gained through engineering, and also my experience, which is very important for the students. Now we'll start with a little introduction about our company before going directly to the advanced plastic piping products. So, talking about the Supreme Group, we are acknowledged leader of India's plastic industry and processing over 5 lakh metric tons of polymers every year. We have 27 manufacturing plants across the country, and we are in the planning of expansion to add 3 more plants. We have the Pan India distribution network, and our total group turnover is 8,700 crores. This is just for your introduction, what is Supreme is doing in the country as a group. Now we'll go through the different product segments we are offering to the market. So first is industrial molded products. Second is plastic piping. You can go through the entire skin. These all are the 9 business segments we are catering to the India, as well as we are exporting to the 25 countries. So our today's discussion is mainly on plastic piping system, this one. So we have other businesses, material handling, molded furniture, you might be knowing about that. Performance films, protective packaging products, multi-layer cross-laminated films, composite cylinders, petrochemicals. Lot of businesses are there. But out of this, our subject is today's subject is plastic piping system. So going ahead with the plastic piping group again. So Supreme, we call it as a all piping needs solution providers. We have around 9,000 different piping products for everything whatever you need in the piping requirements, means industrial, agriculture, then building, then various type of institute, and many things are there. As I told you, we are exporting to 25 countries including UK, Germany, Cyprus. A lot of countries are there, and we are ISO 9000, 45,000, and 14,001 company. So this is about our company, what we are doing in the piping group. We have mega project at Gadegaon, which is spanning over 131 acre, which is biggest project in Asia region. And if you want to visit our facility, then you can visit here, which is completely free of cost for everything who is related to piping. So also I want to add one thing, knowledge center. Here you can see in the last line, knowledge center, it is like a small plumbing university. We have established this in 4 places in India, and we are giving different type of trainings and various consultation is doing here for the plumbing fraternity. So now moving to our subject, these all are the piping products what we have in the segment. Now we will go through application wise. You can see application segment flowchart from source of the water to final disposal. So you know that we want water for all type of purposes, daily needs, industrial, then various kind of applications. So we get that water from any source of water. Then we use that water with different building management, then industrial application. Before that, we need to treat that water in WTP. Here you can see water treatment plant. Then that water coming from the river is get treated in the treatment plant, and then it goes to the elevated reservoir where it is stored. And after storage, this can be distributed to different type of applications. Here you can see building and infrastructure projects, then industrial application. Lot of more applications are also there. We have covered here only 2 applications. Then after using that water in our house or in any industrial application, that water gets converted to wastewater. So we need to dispose that wastewater properly at a particular location. We call it as STP, means sewage treatment plant. You might be knowing that also. And from industrial, it is ETP, means effluent treatment plant. So all these, for all these application, we require different type of pipelines from source of the water to final disposal points. On next slide, we can go according to application. Here again, same diagram is shown from source of the water to final disposal point, and piping system required for all these applications are mentioned here, which we are going to see in brief in next slides. So this slide might be not visible to you because of small screen. Might be someone is viewing on mobile or tablets. So we'll go to next slide. Supreme Piping World product for water management. So today's our topic is water supply and drainage. So we will see all products in brief, and then we will discuss about water supply products and drainage products. So these are UPVC piping system, then yellow colored is CPVC, which is used for hot and cold water application. Then this green one is Indo-Green PPR. Then bath fitting, different type of solvent cements required for joining application. Then next is water storage. Before supplying or after supplying the water to any particular location, we need to store that water. So these water storage solution is also available as advanced products in plastics available for the market. Then fire protection. You can surprise by listening this that fire protection pipe is now available with plastics. So yes, Flame Guard is the brand name, and this is useful for fire protection up to 700 degrees Celsius. Then next is building drainage and underground drainage systems. So we'll see this also in detail because this is our today's topic. Then product for sanitation, which also comes in drainage systems. So sanitation, different type of toilet blocks and urinals, septic tank for waste treatment, and sewage treatment plants, which is STP. Then agriculture, also water supply is covered in agriculture applications. We need to supply water from any dam, river to the farm, or we can say agricultural applications, and borewell applications also included. Different type of wall for doing any type of pipeline. We can say water supply or distribution or wastewater. We need to control the flow of water flowing through pipe. So for that purpose, we need different type of walls and That valves include butterfly valve, non-return valves, air release valves, and a lot of valves are there in the range. Again, industrial applications are there: CPVC, polypropylene, PE. We will see this everything in detail. I just made you to go through it and remember the things few slightly. Okay, now focus on this. I will suggest you to note down some things if you want. Important materials of advanced products, water supply and drainage. So before studying advanced product, we need to know material of that advanced products. So this is UPVC, unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. This is one of the best material available for different type of piping. Second is CPVC, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. This is also type of PVC. First two types are PVC material, means polyvinyl chloride. The next is polypropylene random copolymer, which is called as PPR. This is different type of group. First two are covered in PVC. Second are polyethylene and polypropylene. So first two is a single category. Second is the different type of application wise. We need to select the material from it. PEX, PEX means cross-link polyethylene. So this might be difficult to understand for you people. So forget about the next 2 points. Just if you want to note, then note it: PEX and PERT, polyethylene raised temperature. We are going to see only 4 type of materials used for the manufacture of advanced plastic piping materials. Next is water supply is of following types: domestic water supply, it may be industrial water supply. Again, domestic, it may be drinking water supply or for use of sanitary applications. Industrial, agriculture, and irrigation. Also, it includes 2 types: pressurized water supply and non-pressurized water supply. So before studying any advanced plastic piping product, we need to know all these things, that water supply may be of different types. Then second is drainage system. Drainage system is also of 2 types. Above ground drainage system means which is located from our house to the chamber, which is underground. And second is underground drainage system, which is completely underground. Okay. Then we will start with the discussion on water supply. First product line, what we have seen in the small picture before few slide is AquaGold UPVC high pressure plumbing system. This is easy and economical solution instead of typical conventional system, which is GI, or you can say MS. GI means galvanized iron, and MS means mild steel, or you can say ductile iron. So different type of pipes we have up to 8-inch size. This pipe is completely free from corrosion and rusting, and we can easily install this pipe at our site. As compared to GI pipes or MS pipe or any metal pipe, these pipes are very light in weight. Second system we are going to see is Lifeline CPVC. First we have seen UPVC. You can focus on the UPVC. This is AquaGold is the brand name of Supreme, and UPVC is the material. This pipe can be only used for normal temperature water. If you have geyser or if you have any industrial application, means you want to use hot or cold water. So for that hot or cold water, you need to use this CPVC. See here, you can see hot and cold water plumbing system. So lot of benefits this system is offering to us. This is world's best Japanese material and technology. This material is imported from Japan, and we make the pipe for domestic as well as industrial application. You can see here, this is excellent resistance to corrosion and chemical. Then most suitable for carrying potable water. Very light in weight as compared to metal pipes. Then it is tough and rigid material, very simple and easy to install. Its thermal expansion coefficient is very low. It is superior insulation properties, means in case of you GI material. So what you need to do for hot and cold water, you need to provide insulation, right? So in case of this plastic piping system, you need not to provide any insulation material. Means again, it comes to the cost. So plastic is offering advanced products, but still it is cost effective. Okay. These segments are little bit difficult to understand. You can put the questions in the question box after this webinar. I can write it to you after this. Now we will go through small products. Whole repair coupler is one of the products which is very important and very much cost saving. When there is a drill in your house, what you need to do? You need to open entire pipeline. You need to break that wall, and after breaking, you need to repair small puncture on the pipe. But with this hole repair coupler, you just need to put this plug inside the pipeline and you can repair it very easily. So very small product, but it is very cost effective and very easily solution provider. Next is voice trainer. Voice trainer is means what? There is some suspended particles, or you can say different type of material impurities which is coming with the water to your home. So you need to filter it out before coming to your tap. So this is one of the product voice trainer, and this water goes inside from this end and it comes out from this end, and the particle suspended material gets collected here, and you can clean it from this end, which is brass end. Okay. Wall mixture fixture is one of the advanced product. You know, everyone now using wall mixture. Means for hot and cold water mixing, we have one equipment in our bathroom. We use it to regulate the temperature of water for bathing. So for that purpose, this unique and innovative product is used. There are 4 various types, and you can install this product directly inside your wall and just forget it. Means you need not to adjust any distance for installation of the taps or installation of any fixture. So you can note it down and you can get all detailed information from our app, which is a Supreme Pipes, available at your Play Store location. You can download the app from that Play Store. These are different type of walls. Concealed wall we need to install in our bathroom to regulate the flow of different water coming from our tank. Means it is hot water or it may be a cold water. Drinking water, we need to keep it separately. For that, we use these different walls. Then these are male threaded and female threaded adapters. Then various flanges are also now available with the plastic. Ball walls are available in almost all sizes. Ball walls are available. This is one more important system. This is Indogreen PPR, means polypropylene. I already told you. PPR is the polypropylene random copolymer. This is used for hot and cold water system. Means hot or cold water, it may be from your bathroom, or it may be any industrial application, or it may be a solar application. For that purpose, we need to compulsorily use this Indogreen PPR. The temperature range for this plastic pipe is up to 95 degrees Celsius, and it is used from -5 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. Means you can see, if in a cold region, means like Kashmir, or you can say north region of the India, we need to use compulsorily these pipes, Indogreen PPR pipes. Why these pipes we need to use? Because the regular PVC pipe cannot sustain for this temperature, so we need to go for -5 to 95 range, and it is provided in a hot and cold water Indogreen system. Now this is what we have discussed till this point is for industrial as well as domestic water supply. Now we will go to again agriculture and industrial. So this is polyethylene piping system. This we called as next generation piping because various facilities are available with this polypropylene piping system. And these pipe can be used for water supply as well as drainage system. So we make the pipe from 16 to 800 means you can see if you want to completely replace the conventional system, you can go with this pipe also. So 16 to 800 is quite large range, and you can use this pipe directly by replacing the conventional system. As compared to conventional, this is very light in weight, very easy to install. If you are considering installation as well as initial cost, then it becomes cost effective also. Various grades and various pipe lanes according to your needs are available. And all details you when you will go to market, or you can see if you want to construct a building and you are going to choose piping system for that, you need to follow these standard numbers mentioned in this table. You need to check is the pipe is IS certified or not, or it is certified, then you need to verify this number. This first number is for water supply and second is for drainage application. See here you can see in when we install in industrial or any type of application, we need to bend the pipe according to these angles. All type of angles is available from 11.25, then 22.5, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. From this one to last one, we can turn the pipeline by using these bends, or you can see using these fittings. Also, you are available with this coil form, means if you want to install this 20 to 50 size, there is a 100, 200, 500, 1000 meter length you can directly purchase, or you can directly use for your particular project. Means you need not to take directly the pipe, you can go for coil also, you have option of pipe also. Now focus on this also. This is important product. In ancient days, or we can say before 20 years or before 50 years, the people used to lay down wires with the piping system to track the pipeline over few years. Means if you are installing pipe in 2021 and you want to trace the pipe after 50 years, then what you can do? You can only do the tracing of that wire as a sensor. But in case of plastic, what happens in case of plastic, you cannot install directly inside. You need to put the wire because to trace the pipeline. These are plastic pipes, metal pipe you can easily trace. But in case of plastic, you need not. You need to put copper wire with the piping system. Now this unique product, what happens? Here is a pipe with blue lines, and the yellow line available on the pipe is wire, which is completely attached and engraved with the piping complete length of the piping system. So you can see here this small dot on the yellow marking is wire through the piping, and you can trace this and you can completely make a note by connecting this pipe and wire with the SCADA system. SCADA means what? Supervisory control, DAS means data acquisition system. So by using this system, you can trace your pipeline, you can take a complete map of your pipeline in your computer, and you can check pressure, where there is any leakage or any pressure reduction. You can make a complete map of the entire piping system. This is the jointing method for butt welding. Means we need to install this pipe using different type of machines. So these machines are also readily available. You just need to put the pipe from both end, and one fitting you need to provide inside the two pipe. And by giving electric supply, you can join this black color pipe. And what we have seen, white and yellow pipe, aqua gold and lifeline, that we can directly join by using solvent cements. This is jointing method. We'll go through just the images. These are different applications. You can see how huge level the plastic pipings are currently used. First is outfall application, means you can transfer water from one end of the river to the another end, means without mixing that water with the water of the river. Pressurized sewer application, means at some particular application we need to pressurize the wastewater also, because of the geographical difference level available in the levels, GL, IL, invert level, you might be knowing about that. So for that, the plastic piping system can be used. Then underground sewerage application, industrial effluent application, these all are plastic pipes. Now almost 80% pipes in the plastics we are now replacing with the our advanced plastic piping system. Metal is almost used for higher degree Celsius applications only, and for regular and chemical application, complete system is now offered in the plastic. Then some technical terms, we cannot discuss this in very short time, so we'll go to the again UPVC pressure pipes. This is for particularly agriculture application. We need to follow some Indian standards 4985. This is only for agricultural applications. Then specialty valves for agriculture, when we bring water from any dam to a particular farm, or we can say any agriculture application, then what happens, we need to remove the air, then we need to maintain it by using non-return valve, means if the water is again coming back after shutting off the pump, what happens, water hammer, one phenomena, you know this, engineering student know this. So non-return wall are used to protect the reverse flow of water after shutting off the pump, or you can say water compressor. Then what happens, if the water is coming reverse, then there is a water hammer, and that water hammer can break your piping system. Also, air is present in the pipeline with water. We need to compulsorily remove that air from piping system. For that purpose, we need air release valves. Okay, so this air release valve and non-return valves are very important fittings of a water supply pressurized piping system. This is, we have just gone through some brief introduction of water supply. Then we'll go to drainage system. When now understand the subject, when you go through when water comes to your home and you use that water in bathroom, this is one application. Then secondly, if water is coming to any school, water is also coming to your institute, you are using water in your institute also. And industrial water is coming to industry, that water is getting used in the industry. So this complete is water supply. We have seen pipes of UPVC, pipes of CPVC, pipes of PPR. These three materials are very important. So these are used for water supply from any particular source of the water to your home, house, institute, school, college, it may be anything. After using that water, it gets converted to wastewater. So this is second subject. So wastewater, you need to dispose that wastewater from your house, hotel, institute, anything, to the particular wastewater point. You can say disposal point. So for that purpose, you need what you need drainage system. Now we will go to see drainage systems. So this is a map. Now this is little descriptive subject, and you understand it properly. So first you are seeing one house. House may contain bathroom, toilet, bathtub, different type of sanitary wares. So water now is at your home. You are using that water for bathing, for cleaning, for washing the clothes and whatever different application. Then that water gets converted to wastewater and you drain that water out to this drainage system. From your house, this is coming. After crossing the road, it is going to the main drainage system and it is going to the municipal corporation for treatment. So this is brief about wastewater drainage system. Now, what I told you that drainage system is of two types. What is that? First is wastewater system above the ground, which is called as above ground drainage system, and which is completely inside the ground, that is called as underground drainage system. Means suppose your bathroom is located anywhere in this your bungalow and you are using it for bathing. That water comes go to the pipeline and that pipeline go to this yellow colored or you can say golden colored drainage system. So before going to this underground drainage system, the different type of pipes are required, that is above ground drainage, and below ground that is used underground drainage. You will see this is difficult subject to understand, but you will get cleared in the next slides. Now this is again PVC, but different category, different class, different standards. So UPVC soil waste and rain means SWR, SW and R, soil waste and rainwater. Soil means what? If you are flushing your toilet, then human waste is going to the drainage system. That is called as soil waste. Second is wastewater. Wastewater means from your bathroom, from your kitchen, the water is going to drainage system, that is W, waste. First we told that what we have discussed, S means soil. Human waste is called as soil. Second is W, waste, means it is bathroom or kitchen water. And third is rainwater, simply rainwater falling on your roof and you need to provide that water, the particular pipeline system to go to the discharge point where we use rainwater harvesting application. So SWR piping system is completely available with the Supreme, and here we are manufacturing this system since last around 35 years. So this is completely established system, and now we are constructing big buildings. So 10 floors, 20 floors, 30 floors buildings are there. So from that 30 floor building, you can bring the water to the ground level by using this SWR piping system. Means your toilet, your bathroom, your kitchen completely connected to one system, that is SWR drainage system. These all pipes and lot of fittings are there. So all these pipes and fittings are assembled together according to your need, according to your location of bathroom, and then this completely bring to your ground. This becomes above ground, ground and above ground, from all floors to the GL, your ground level. Okay, so this is SWR. These are different traps. So I want to clear one thing additional to you, that trap is very important fitting of your drainage system. Means you might have experienced foul smell or rodents or cockroaches coming to your bathroom. So why it happens? Why it happens? So when there is a water seal not present in your trap, you are using toilet. So after flushing the toilet, some quantity of water is always remaining your toilet. So that is called as water seal. And rodents or foul smell, which is gases present in the drainage system, they cannot cross this water seal. So water seal is very important, and according to Indian standards, the water seal is 50 mm. Here you can see 50 mm is the Indian standard water seal, and we should strictly provide the water seal in our drainage systems. Below your sink, or you can say your wash basin, you have seen this type of trap, white one. So this U shape is provided there to maintain the water in this trap, and 50 mm of water always maintain in the trap, which provides a seal or a barrier, you can say, which do not allow any, suppose a cockroach is coming, but because of the barrier of that water, that is that coming here and again going return. False smell gases are trying to go through that water, but because of the water barrier, the false smell also cannot cross your water seal. So this is wash basin P trap, multi-floor trap, different type of fittings required, vent pipe with door bend. This is also required in the HWR drainage system. These are very advanced products which are not available with the conventional system. If you want to install GI or any metal pipe, you don't have such type of fitting, single T with door, side door, left door, right door. These are not available at all with the conventional system. So plastic piping always becomes the advanced solution, whatever you can plan according to your need. Advanced product, balcony drain. So this balcony drain is useful to drain the wastewater or washing area or rainwater from your balcony. And this can be installed, suppose there is a building of 30 story. In 30-story building, there are, this one is a balcony, 29, 28, 27. So we need to cover all this in a single pipeline. So by using this product, you need to install just one product at one particular balcony. And you can you can plan in very less space. Means you can see here balcony drain is of 75 mm, and when you will install this at particular balcony, 75 mm pipe will come from top end, that will collect the water here, and it will go further. Again there is a next balcony, again it will collect water from that balcony, again it will go further. So like that, completely the drain can happen, or you can construct a drain system of a 30-story building balcony by using only 75 mm product, and which is balcony drain. Square gully trap. After your complete drainage system above the ground, means from 30-story building you are now at the ground, but at the ground you need to provide one additional trap before connecting it to the underground drainage system, and which is square gully trap. This square gully trap provides again 50 mm standard water seal, and you can construct a chamber around it by sending all type of drainage water which is coming from your bathroom or kitchen to this trap, and the outlet of this trap is connected to underground drainage system. Means this will again act as a barrier in underground and above ground drainage system. So you can take the screenshot of this product, or you can visit our app and our website for details. This is very important product. Shower channel, these are also now available in plastic, very nice product. When you go to any hotel, in advanced hotels, now you can see a shower drain channel, means only you will, there is a visibility of this steel channel. Everything in black color is hidden inside your tiles. So at that particular bathroom, what you need to do, just you need to install this product to drain complete water from your bathing water instantly at the same time. What happens if you have installed very big shower to enjoy your bath, but that big shower has the capacity to deliver the water at very high flow rate. Its flow rate is very large. So your small trap or only circular trap which is currently present in the old houses, that is not able to suck out that water, or you can say drain that water. So for that application, we need shower drain channel. This is very advanced product, and this completely available in plastic materials, means again no chance of rusting, corrosion, hot water abrasion. That is also not available with this water. Sorry, with this product. Then WC manifold. Again, it is advanced product. Now you will think this is how it is innovative and how it is advanced. So you visit any mall or any cinema theater. That in that mall or cinema theater, there are different toilets connected in series. Means in intermission we go to toilet, and then when we can see only one baffle is inserted between two toilets. Means flat wooden flap is there, and different toilets are connected in series. So at that particular location these product functions. So this can take the inlet of 6, 12, 18 number of series toilets, and by flushing the toilet it goes directly to the main drain running behind this wall. Means only what you need to do, you need to install this one product for one toilet, second product for second toilet, third product same product for the third toilet. Here you can see side view, and this is main pipeline. So toilet installation in a congested area. See, in mall, the importance is given to the amphitheater, then cinema theater, then different shop, and the remaining space is considered for toilets and washing areas and restrooms. So what you need to do in future if you becomes a contractor or civil engineer consultant, what you need to do, you need to adjust all toilets at the given place. So when you will do this, this product becomes very important. Then next system is skyrise. We have seen above ground drainage system, means from your house, or you can say from your flat at the 10th floor, 20th floor or 30th floor to the ground level. And this is regular system. You might have experienced one thing I will tell you, that when you flush your toilet, or when your upper neighbor, the person or family living on the next floor, when they flush their toilet, you must heard one sound, that water is running from the pipeline. So it becomes disturbing in case of you can say luxury bungalows, or you can say in hospitals, or you can say in the luxury hotels. So to avoid that you can say noise, that noise coming outside the pipeline, these next skyrise high tech low noise SWR system is used. This system is completely noise proof. Means your neighbor or your upper neighbor is flushing the toilet, or flushing the bathtub. So what happens? Water flushes through the pipe, and it after flushing there is no sound at all coming to your flat. Means complete drainage goes on silent mode. So this is also one of the advanced product. What happens with the conventional system? You can see here, these are the point of noises in your toilet, in your wash basin, you are washing hands, or you are flushing the toilet. There is a noise creation. There are two type of noise, airborne and structure borne noise. So to avoid this noise going to your next floor or going to your next neighbor, we need to use noise proof drainage system above the ground. Means you for different type of flats, and becomes this one, skyrise high tech low noise SWR drainage system. So this system also contain different type of uniform and advanced product. This is a plain floor trap. About trap I already explained you. Then these are the special clamps designed for low noise. Means suppose, imagine that your pipe is passing through this clamp. This clamp is installed on the wall, or it is hung in your parking area from below level. So pipe is passing through this clamp, and it is completely becoming noise proof because it is away from your wall, Also the pipe is silent, then your system becomes completely noise proof. These all the products available for different requirement to turn the pipeline at your required location. See, now the buildings are becoming very complicated, and we need to adjust pipeline with the building infrastructure. So for that purpose, different type of fittings are required, and we have all this in our basket. So these are safety, regular, then with door, if there is any choke up, you can open that door and cleaning can be done from this end. This is very innovative product. It is called as True Vent. Again, we will go to the 30 floor, 20 floor big building, and at the 30th floor, you are living two flats, two more flats at top, and a lot of flats at your bottom level. So what happens? There are three flat at particular floor, and you want to connect all the pipes coming from different toilets, from bathroom, then kitchen, to a single pipe because the space constraint. So to connect that all the fixtures to a single pipe, you need this product. So we will see the cross section. Means there are three flats. So toilet of first flat is coming from this first end. For second flat it is coming from front end, and from third flat it is coming from right end. Again, for bathroom and kitchen, we will combine the line, and this is 75 inlet. So it becomes completely space saving solution for high story buildings. Water from the top floors directly go to the bottom floors, and water from toilet or bathroom of the consecutive flat which is located at this location, it goes inside this fitting, and it takes all the discharge coming from the uh, fixtures, sink, wash basin, bathtub, and WC. So everything is drained to the single fitting. First floor, second floor, lot of floors you can connect it with the true vent fitting. These all are the parts. If you don't want to use any one side or any two side, you can close it by using blank plug. The product is called as blank plug. We will just fix that plug inside this, and this part becomes closed. If you want to open it in future, you can open it for additional bathtub or additional any picture arrangements. You can open it. This is simple ball fitting. This ball fitting is used for installation of again high story buildings, but it is simple that three end pipeline this single fitting can cater, and all the discharge it can forward to the next location. Now I told you that drainage system again, above ground, this is ground, and this is below ground. So we have seen two systems for above ground drainage, that is SWR drainage and SkyRise. This one low noise drainage system. Now we will go to underground drainage. For underground, now your water from all your floors is here, and again you need to provide a underground drainage system to dispose that water from your flat to municipal area, from municipal area to outside your village or outside your city for treatment. So we'll go to that system also. When you construct a conventional drainage system, then what happens? The conventional drainage system has these all problems, that there is a choke up, there is a root penetration like this. Because of the heavy load, it is very difficult to install, or it may fail any time because of the heavy load. So to solve all these disadvantages of conventional product, we have advanced plastic piping system with great flexibility, perfect hydraulic properties, minimum excavation cost is required, with very great strength, watertight system. The system becomes very hygienic and safe. How it becomes hygienic and safe? These all problems are eliminated, so it becomes very hygienic and safe. Complete system is available, means we need not to construct in this brick mason, or you need not to construct in concrete, because complete system is available in the plastic with overall long life and economy. So these are the chambers, different sizes from small house requirement to the large city requirement. We have everything. So these, as per increasing discharge of the drainage system, we can choose any chamber or pipe from these traps. Sorry, from these sizes. So all these products are available. Gully trap, Gully trap is connected before drainage connection and after above ground drainage system. These are new pestle fittings available, recently launched systems. This make the system complete in all respect. Means what happens? You can install conventional system, but in conventional system again T is not available, again elbow is not available, or 45 is not available, eccentric reducer is not available. This completely you get in the plastic solution. Then imagine that your house is again at 30th floor, that discharge is going to the ground floor, this become again above ground drainage. Now after ground level we need to discharge that water in drainage system. So we have seen these small chambers. So one house water will go to this first chamber, then again 2 3 houses are combined, then water will go to this next chamber. Likewise, on the main lane of our house, it is largest chamber, and after that it goes to the manhole, means this one. So this is generally used for municipal corporation area or very big private projects. So water goes from this end inside the chamber and comes from that end. Now why chamber is used? Chamber or manhole is useful for cleaning and inspection purpose. Means drainage system may contain different type of oils or different chemicals or different waste material, and it may coagulate or choke up your pipeline, and we need to observe or monitor the system if there is any choke up. So in that case a man can enter by using these stairs inside the manhole, and by using that manhole the man can cleaning can be happen, inspection can be done. So this is useful for cleaning application, one of the important part of drainage system. How it is installed? So see, the pipeline is laid, then inlet outlet connection are made, then two people are installing this manhole here. After complete installation, the top view of the manhole is shown here. So these are different uh, benefits of these manholes. Now next, these manholes can be installed for very large application, and see this road roller is going or passing through the manhole. Means being a plastic, it is very strengthful, or you can say very strong and sturdy, that it can take the load of all type of vehicles passing through the road, because this manhole get installed below the ground. It may be a below road or it may be a below parking or anywhere. So we have considered everything to take the load of vehicular traffic or parking traffic or pedestal traffic. These are pipe useful for, again for drainage system. Eco drain high tech pipes for drainage and sewerage application, foam core pipes, and DWC pipe. So you will think that all pipes are round, and this all pipes we are watching on the screen are round in shape, and just water we want to pass from one end to another end. But why these different type of pipes are used? So according to the profile or according to the quality of water or fluid passing through that particular pipeline, you need to select the material. So in that case, for water different pipes are there, for chemical different type of pipes are there, for hot water, for cold water there are different pipes. And again for drainage application, drainage may be of industrial drainage or domestic drainage, then according to that category we need to select this pipes. So we will see this important pipe before closing. the double wall corrugated pipe. Means this pipe has two walls means what, this is a pipe, there are some corrugations put on the outside surface, and inside surface is very smooth. So what happens that outside spring like arrangement take the entire load of traffic, and inside smooth layer is very helpful to pass the water or drainage water from one place to another place very efficiently. So it becomes very easy for a drainage system to pass the water from one place to another place with a glass smooth surface finished pipe. We will see the fittings. These all are fittings again available in this system also. Now this how it is installed. So this one is coupler, and two pipes are joined by using this small manual operated machine. So we want to if you want to install the pipes, then what you need to do for bigger sizes, you need to use this machine. But in case of small sizes pipe, you can directly install two pipes in one coupler manually, because just by pushing the pipe will go inside and it will lock there. Okay, you can see the videos of Supreme YouTube channel, and you can get the information about how it is installed on that YouTube channel particularly. This is surface drain channel. Lot of products, lot of advanced products are there. Just we will go through the photographs, because this time is might be not sufficient to explain everything. Our time is about to end now. So in 5 minutes we'll see two three products imagically. Just this is a surface drain channel. This drain channel application is shown here in the image, that surface water from your parking area or anywhere on the terrace, you can install this surface drain channel, and entire water can be drained inside that. So this is available with different type of fittings. You can install and turn it in a right angle. So applications are pavement, then roadside curves, then driveways of cars. Different lot of applications are there where just you have a surface and you want to drain that surface rainwater or any washing water falling on that surface, you can drain in the drain channels. Then non-written wall of drainage system. In your drainage system, there may be foul smell, or a snake or rat can come from the pipeline. To avoid that particular harm because of the rodents, you can install this backflow prevention walls. Means rodent is trying from this. The arrow is shown for open wall. Arrow is coming from this end, and from it is going out. Means water is flowing in this direction, but if somebody rodent or gas is trying to come in reverse direction, this flap will close. Simply this is the working principle of this backflow prevention valve. This is the way how it is installed. Then lot of traps and covers for the chambers are available. Important product. This is Safeguard septic tank. Means after flushing your toilet, the human waste plus water is going to the drainage system. We cannot leave that directly to the drainage system. Before that, we need to install this tank. Currently, it is installed in conventional form, means brick masonry, concrete installation is there, and brick masonry tanks are getting used. So we can replace that those tank by using this Safeguard septic tank, which is completely made up of plastic, and only in 3 hours you can install these tanks. Again, the detailed description of this tank is there. Sanitation means drainage system again comes with the sanitation. So recently, this is not a part of our presentation, but this is just for introduction, that we have recently launched this ready-made toilet for different gardening, for different construction site. When what happens when a contractor or a civil engineer starts big site, there is some arrangement he need to do for the workers. Like like toilet, then sanitary area, like that. So for that particular, not for that particular, lot of applications are there. I have given you one of the example. So for that, this ready-made toilet and modular toilets you can use. So this modular is the next version of the previous one, this one. So in modular, what we have the ready-made water tank placed at the top. Means, and this is completely dismantled. You can just put it in a small vehicle to transport from one place to another place. And after reaching the site, you can take one wall, two wall, third wall, and you can configure it or you can install it on the site also. So it is a modular toilet. You can dismantle it after use and you can again reassemble it as per your requirement. So these can be installed in series. Again, the Indian as well as Western patterns are available in this. And these are the public urinals. We have come up with the advanced product Safeguard Septic Tank, and the second product under the brand name Safeguard is STP, Sewage Treatment Plant. Means somebody is going to construct a big project, and that big project is draining a lot of wastewater out of the project. So you can install this ready-made STP, Sewage Treatment Plant. It is a package STP, readily available. We will come to your site and it will be installed directly on your site. And this can treat all type of wastewater and directly can give you the clear water which you can use again for flushing application or for gardening application or for vehicle cleaning application. All these things means your plant, or you can say you have a building, you have water storage, you have STP, you have septic tank. Means your complete system or your complete we can say setup will become ZLD, means zero liquid discharge. No water is coming inside your premises and no water is going outside your premises. So you will become ZLD user, and ZLD user is very much promoted by now by governments. Means you are not consuming water, you are not taking any water from government, and also you are not supplying your wastewater or not discharging your wastewater to the environment. So it will becomes very eco-friendly system. So this is about STP, sewage treatment plants. Thank you about the this webinar. You, yeah, hope you have liked this and you have listened this very carefully. If you have any question, you can put it in your comment box. I will try to revert all your questions. Also, ma'am, have my mail ID. You can put my any questions if you have on my mail, and we will discuss about the same. Okay, so if time permits, I can explain you a few more things, but it is almost the time done. So, hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Thank you very much for giving us such a informative knowledge regarding to the advanced piping materials, sir. One or two things
Yes.
very wonders to see that you have a STP and you have a modular toilets in advanced
Yes. Yes.
with the advanced piping material. Sir, I can receive one question that if I have a numbers of question, but the time is not permit to discuss. But I discuss one
Yes.
question
Yes. Yes.
does one question is that does the chemical we can use for the disinfection in case of water supply and lots of contamination in case of drainage. So should they
Hmm.
affect the pipe material which we use for the long time?
Okay, very good question. When we make any piping system by using PVC, CPVC, or all type of materials are available, there are certain chemical protectors, binders, then plasticizers are added to that material, and because of that, it increases the power to resist all type of material. Again, if the harsh chemicals are present in the wastewater or any industrial effluent, then we need to select the pipe material according to the type of chemical, according to the pressure of chemical, and according to the temperature of that chemical. So we have different type of charts given with the piping system. So you need to just go through that chart, and you can check that this pipe is suitable with the particular chemical or particular wastewater. Then you can select that pipe. For different pipe, there is a different chemical support. So according to that, we can select the piping material from that.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, we heartily thank you on behalf of Parul University that you have to spend your valuable time with us and give us such a knowledgeable information regarding to the advanced piping material which we use in our water supply and drainage system. Up till now, we have to know about the conventional methodology. We have a material from the metals and all that thing, but now you have
Yes,
to present all the things, and we can use with the help of the plastic material. So thanks
yes, yes.
again, and thank you very much, sir. Okay, and be in
No
touch
problem.
with us.
Okay,
You
yes,
okay? Okay, okay. Bye, sir. Ha, bye.
yes, yes. Bye.
Jiten, sir. Hello,
Hello.
Jiten. Jiten, sir. Hello, Jiten, sir. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. I am Rohit here. Can I
Sir,
put my
sir, you may leave, sir. You may leave.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, bye, bye.
Thank you.
Jiten, sir. Hello, hello. So please stop the recording, Jiten, sir.